Welcome back to the channel. It's part 3 of the Ace 100 restoration. As you can see, I'm still working on these wheels. This is the front wheel you're looking at that I brand new bearings in the hub, laced up and trued. Still has a little bit of tweaking on the truing on this wheel, but it's looking good and it's going to be okay. In the last video I told you that the rear rim was ready to go. Well, I was wrong. I fought with this thing to had it laced up and truing it up, and it was just not gonna go. There is, I don't know if you can see that, probably not, but there is an egg shaped like an egg right here. There's a dent. I thought I beat that out good enough and I could fix the rest in the truing process. Well, I was wrong. It is maybe someone who's better at truing could probably, I don't know, but I am just going to get another rim. Kind of adds to the problem of needing spoke nipples, but it is what it is. I might have found something on eBay that will fix that problem, but as of right now, I moved on and I have started the front rim, and it's almost done. A little more tweaking to do on this, but for the most part, it is looking good. I also got myself a brand new truing stand. Boy, I wanted one of these for a long time. Motorcycle wheel balancing and truing stand. You get one of these and you wonder how you lived without it for all those years. So that's where I'm at. So just letting you know that's where I'm at, and welcome aboard to any new subscribers. I think there might be a couple of them, I don't know. Yeah, so you guys rate, comment, subscribe, tell me what I'm doing wrong, tell me what I'm doing right, if anything. But yeah, I'm going to end the video here, guys, so you ride safe, and thanks for watching.